Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The MGM Grand is one of the most recognizable resorts in Las Vegas, a property that has played a major role in the development of the modern Strip. When it opened in 1993, it became the largest hotel in the world, setting a new benchmark for size and scale in the resort industry. The complex was developed by MGM Grand Inc. and represented a shift towards integrated mega-resorts designed to combine gaming, entertainment, dining, and large-scale events under one roof. The original concept for the MGM Grand drew inspiration from classic Hollywood. Early design elements included references to MGM's film heritage, complete with themed attractions, movie-style decor, and decorative features connected to the studio's history. Over time, the property underwent extensive renovations, gradually moving towards a more contemporary and streamlined identity while keeping the focus on large-scale entertainment. One of the central features of the resort is a massive hotel structure. The green glass tower rises prominently above the surrounding properties, forming one of the most distinctive silhouettes on the Las Vegas Strip. The complex includes thousands of rooms and suites, arranged across several interconnected wings. For decades, the hotel has consistently ranked among the largest in the world by room count. MGM Grand is also known for its event infrastructure. The property houses the MGM Grand Garden Arena, a venue that has hosted major concerts, sports events, award shows, and championship boxing and UFC fights. For many visitors, the arena is one of the defining attractions of the resort, helping cement its reputation as a home for premier live entertainment on the Strip. The resort also includes a substantial convention and meeting facility, reflecting the growth of business tourism in Las Vegas. These spaces were expanded over the years to accommodate trade shows, professional events, and large corporate gatherings. The development of convention areas at MGM Grand contributed to the wider transformation of Las Vegas into a global conference destination. Dining and hospitality has also been a key component to the resort's identity. MGM Grand has featured high-profile restaurants, chef partnerships, and diverse culinary options ranging from casual dining to elevated fine dining experiences. Over time, restaurant lineups have evolved, but the focus on variety and scale has remained consistent. One of the significant parts of the MGM Grand complex is the signature at MGM Grand, a trio of luxury condo hotel towers built adjacent to the main resort. These towers offer a quieter, more private accommodation style while still maintaining direct access to the MGM Grand's amenities. Their addition reflects a shift towards mixed-use development and diversified tourism offerings. The resort has also undergone multiple thematic transformations. Its early years included strong thematic elements tied to film and entertainment, while later renovations introduced modern design features, updated interiors, and new entertainment partnerships. The evolution of MGM Grand mirrors the evolution of Las Vegas as a whole. Constant adaptation, expansion, and reinvention to meet changing tastes and industry trends. For decades, the MGM has been positioned at the center of Las Vegas entertainment corridor. Its scale, infrastructure, event venues, and extensive range of services have made it one of the city's anchor properties. The resort continues to operate as a major hub for both leisure and professional travel, blending history with ongoing redevelopment.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.